Hello there, guys. This is going to be a very short video introducing Edpuzzle and how it works. Some of you might have used this in another class. If you haven't, it's pretty straightforward. So we'll introduce what it is with a welcome, and then we'll get some practice questions, and then third is a chance for you to ask any questions you might have. Okay, so what is this? Well, this website will take videos from YouTube and other sources, and it allows for questions. So teachers can stop the video and ask questions about what they said or what you're thinking at any point. So you actually do have to watch it and pay attention. Your in-class grade, okay, if the assignment is to watch the video, your in-class grade for that day comes from your answers and participation here. Sometimes the questions are open-ended, where you can give any answer and still get credit for it. Sometimes you have to pick what's actually correct. So, anyways, that's kind of how this works. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so you should get some practice questions here on your screen. You must answer them to move on. And lastly, a chance if you have any questions, so there'll be an option here for open-ended questions, a chance for you to ask. If you don't have any, you can click skip for this one, so you won't be marked off for doing that. But your grade for today is simply answering the questions that were on here, and you'll get points for doing that. That's it.